Why marks to attempt and marks to all? What is the difference? Why two separate expressions have been used? Now, meaning there, by my understanding, is marks on attempt means this question has to be attempted. Whatever answer you give, you get marks. One. Now, marks to all. That means, irrespective of I attempt or not, anybody can get marks.
Marks to all and marks on attempt. What is the difference and what does the two mean?
But if it is an out of syllabus, then marks to all.
That means out of syllabus.
Marks out of syllabus, they have marked, they have attempted, then in that case they will get it.
But for the petitioner, this is regarding mismatch in the model answer key and the question. Last occasion, Lordship directed the commission to come with a report. Before that, my lord, I have a specific, I have a specific submission to make in this regard. My lord, while going through the issues, various issues, we found three types of irregularities. One is when there is two options are possible. One has been considered, one has not been given importance in terms of the text. One category. Second category is the question itself is wrong or the model answer are not commensurate with the question or it is out of syllabus. Two. Third category is that when there could be a definite answer, but the marks has been given to all. These are the three basic categories. Before your lordship takes it up, I request only one page to take, page 74. There is one anomaly, it has been indicated subsequently. Kindly take page 74 for once. This is the final model answer key. It is beginning the, my lord, kindly see the final model answer written, page 74. 74, kindly see, there is something I found out that 75. Kindly come to page 75. Just take, for example, my lord, the left-hand side column, marks on attempt. Lordship has found marks on attempt. Then marks to all. Marks to all, marks on attempt. My lord, a very pertinent question comes today. Why marks to attempt and marks to all? What is the difference? Why two separate expressions have been used? Now, meaning there, by my understanding, is marks on attempt means this question has to be attempted. Whatever answer you give, you get marks. One. Now, marks to all. That means, irrespective of I attempt or not, anybody can get marks. Otherwise, these two separate expressions would not have been used in the model answer key. But going by this, whoever even leaves these questions would be entitled for marks. That cannot be permitted in a public recruitment process. Why these four questions? If I take one, this commensurate with 2-3 questions are like this of marks to all. Marks to attempt is a different connotation altogether. My lord, I understand marks to attempt can be given or marks to all can be given to candidates where the question is disputed.
All right, let me hear them.
And this category of, and only one thing, my last occasion, lordship wanted to see the objections I handed over. It was not inadvertently with the part of the writ petition. This is the preliminary objection I submitted. Which
has to come by way of,
last occasion, your lordship directed to give the copies to Mr. Singh. I had handed over to Mr. Singh. He had received. Yes, I sent it through what he asked me to give through WhatsApp. I sent that your lordship only wanted to see whether I had raised objection. And my lord, so far my questions are concerned, 2 are out of syllabus. 2, there are definite answers where option A and C both are correct, but option C has been taken. Another question where option A and D both are correct, only option A has been taken. 2 questions out of syllabus where all answers to be correct, but only one model answer has been taken. And my lord, rest 2, there could be only specific answer C, but A and C both have been taken by diminishing the competitive edge and the level playing field. Now, my lord, the rule, it is very important, my lord, just one line of the rule is very important. If your lordship kindly takes for once one line, I will just show, kindly come to rule 11 for once. 11, Roman 5.
No.
Lordship has found Roman 5.
Yes.
But kindly see what is the language of the statute. The Central Commission shall publish in its official website preliminary model answer keys after the written test and may invite suggestions and or objections from the applicants. So the legislative intent was very clear, not only suggestions at the discretion of the authorities, suggestions and or objections. Both word has been used very specifically, not only suggestions, but objections when there are specific answers. Now kindly take the proviso. It says, provided that suggestions or objections must be submitted within 5 days after publication of such model answer keys and should be supported by at least 2 authentic academic publications. I have done so. But I pose this question to myself. What is the purpose of obtaining the books, textbooks, taking the objections and taking fees for it? If you do not entertain these individual questions, if you decide on your own, I pose this question to myself.
1 minute. They were directed to revert with a report.
Yes.
Is the report there?
The report is ready, but it is being affirmed, I'm told. Number one, and we'll circulate the report. May it be taken up on Wednesday, Thursday.
All right, that is all right. But then page 74 of the writ petition, the final model answer key is annexed. What does this mean?
75.
Marks to all and marks on attempt. Page 75, you'll get it.
We'll have to take instructions and come back.
Does marks to all mean that there is no requirement of answering? No. That means marks to all 1, 2. 2 marks will be given to everybody who appears in the examination.
Yes. Appears so.
You have to answer any one of it.
I didn't get it.
Assuming a marks to all situation subject to correction, it presupposes someone has to answer that particular question, albeit wrongly, so as to enable him to get that full marks.
No, that means marks on attempt. What is the difference?
We'll have to come back. We'll have to come back.
My humble submission, this is
I have to come back.
the manner to do charity to candidates to give big marks.
Brother, I am appearing this. Brother.
Yes,
Brother,
please.
I am appearing.
This is
Am I
item
audible,
number
brother?
2.
Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
I know. Brother, there is a report. Your lordship will find it.
Yes,
We
the
are-
report is not handed over.
Because it has not yet been affirmed as yet.
All right.
There is a huge cloud. What has happened, I can just tell you, lordships. In short, I am telling you.
No,
That-
I do
that-
not want. Let the report be given to the petitioner because petitioner doesn't know what is there in the report.
Correct.
He needs to come back. Only
Yes.
one query. If you please come to page 75 of the writ petition.
Yes, madam.
This is the final model answer. There are, apart from the marks, there are certain words written. Marks to all and marks on attempt. What is the difference and what does the two mean?
But if it is an out of syllabus, then marks to all.
That means out of syllabus.
Marks out of syllabus, they have marked, they have attempted, then in that case they will get it. Anyway, Milord, I will get the more clarification, I will come back. That would be better.
In that
Yes.
case, there are 2 questions where there are out of syllabus. That 2 had to be considered as marks to all. Then
No, out.
Those are not the ones reflected over here.
yes.
Marks to all. 32.
Yes.
Is it an out of syllabus question?
32, I tell you, Lordship, this is that would be
Milord,
this is
question is, Milord, whether in the preliminary objection, he has raised the objection or not.
Yes, he has.
He has not raised the objection in all the questions that we are discussing.
this is
in
not
the
correct.
affidavit. Well, no, I am not correct. You are only correct, brother. Allow me to
Some
speak.
report directed to be filed by the commission
one thing. 4th is the date of
is yet to
really-
be placed on record.
this order of your Lordship.
Stop. Let a copy of this. Let a copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioners